Hi, my name is Rune and I'm an intern as an Automotive Product Manager. My role is to help support the partnerships so that we can enable our platform in their vehicles. I really like the variety. Every day is a bit different and I get the opportunity to suggest and work on very exciting projects. My biggest accomplishment in 4screen's so far is the creation of the winter market campaigns. It's the first time we as 4screen did something like this, and it was very exciting to bring the Christmas spirit into the car and have a campaign that is visible in 15 different cities all over Europe. When you think of applying to 4screen, I would say definitely do it if you really like fun work environments, working with a bunch of really nice people. You're doing something new every day and you get the opportunity to work on very cool projects.